Well, how rude. I went back and watched this first video in part 4, and for whatever reason, the sound is just completely glitched. So I'm going to do this again, but I'm way further downstream. So let's get to this. I'm going to jump over to Photoshop. And like I point out in that other video, hey, this layer stack, we've done a lot of work. If I hold down Option and click here, I turn off all visible layers except for the one I Option clicked on. And there's our original 100 pixels. And then I'm going to Option click again on the eyeball, which turns everything back on. Now we worked all the way through the layer stack, made this image right here, which, you know, the geometry's great, the color, maybe not so great. I want to start a new layer stack. And I do this all the time, even with other types of Photoshop files, because sometimes the layer stack gets pretty deep and you just want to move on, give yourself some room. So the best way to do this is a smart object. It's got a smart filter on it. You can't copy and paste this. What we're going to do is Shift Option Command N, Shift Option Command E, and then Command A. Command A means select all. See the marching ants around everything, and we're just on a layer with pixels. Now instead of copying, I'm going to cut this. Command X to cut. See everything disappeared? Hit Command D to deselect, and then just hit the delete key. That's gone. Now I'm going to open up a new Photoshop document, Command N, and you see how these shortcuts can help you so much? How can I remember all that, Scotch? Well, you practice, practice, practice. Do it again and again and again. You know, then close the document. Do it again. So you see here that we have our clipboard, 1500 pixels square. That's anytime you copy something, Photoshop's going to say, hey, you want what's on that clipboard? And we're going to make sure there's no artboard here. Click Create, and then Command V to paste. And then over here, remember the shortcut to merge down? Command E to merge down. And now let's save this. But the problem is what I'm going to show you, I've already done this. So I'm going to hit Command S to save this. And instead of typing in a name, go back. This file here is my Girl with Ring demo. And so what I do is just click on the name. Now I'm working in the cloud, but you're working on your computer most likely. It doesn't matter. You click on the name and it fills that name in. Don't click Save because you don't want to overwrite this file. That file has all our other elements in it, you know, all our layers. And I titled it O2. And I'll say, you know, O2, O2, you know, the second one. I can't name it O2B because I actually go there too. So the point is you can save out a new file, keep it with a similar name, and you know, I'm going to click Save. I'm going to end up throwing that thing away unless I have to remake the next video. I got to check this. Hopefully the sound's not glitched and you can just move on and know, oh yeah, I got a new way to save things, which really is really smart. Not O202, just O2. Got it?